Hiya, it's Peggy of Peggy Jo Creations. I'm just bringing you another one of my beautiful pendants. It is a teardrop shape. It was a cabochon, or it is a cabochon. It is about the size of a 50p piece here in the UK, and it is teardrop in shape with pinks, and it's got different shades of pinks from deep to light. It has white in the middle. It also has sky blue iridescent. I can't show you. There you go. Sky blue and blues and lilacs with white, and it's a really pretty pendant. It's not, the blue is iridescent, so all the light blue is shiny. I'm trying to show it. There you go. See all the patterns. So this was made by the acrylic paint pouring process, where when I've done some pourings, I get dribbles on the tray underneath, and then there's lots of lovely patterns. So I then take the glass part of this, the domed part, put a bit of blue tack on a stick, and then I gently put that across the pattern, dip it into the pattern on the tray, and then we have a lovely pendant. It's on a brass type metallic backing. It's on a iridescent ribbon, purple ribbon. I mean, you could change it over and put it on a metal chain if you wished. The ribbon is just over 12 inches long, which is about 31.5 centimetres drop. So the drop is that. So it should give you, it fits most people. And that is what I've got. That is what we're at with this one today. But it's really beautiful. It's got lovely patterns in there, as you can see. So thank you for your time. It will be on sale on eBay. Hopefully somebody appreciates it and wants to have it for themselves.